Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of updates on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve updates on the application of Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Snapchat, and you will go to this page here and you click. Then this list of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you will click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.